And we have the Financial Week, news from overseas, and our Bite of the Week after the break.
A very good evening to you. This is your Financial Week. I'm Dwayne Burbick. Still fresh from reporting 9 months profit, which exceeds the outturn for all of last year, NCB has outlined its strategy to continue its stellar performance. The company revealed its strategy to move forward at its investor briefing on Friday. Dashan Hendricks reports.
NCB basking in its strong showing a day after reporting record profits.
$14.7 billion in 9 months is another record performance for our organization, and I dare say for any company on the Jamaica Stock Exchange.
Its profits some have scoffed at as making money for a few. NCB's CEO Patrick Hilton was, however, not about to apologize for the outturn.
Irrespective of how difficult it is, we are committed to excellence in terms of our performance. We will find a way.
In fact, he outlined more ways in which the bank is hoping to make money. Part of its mantra to be faster, simpler, stronger. In doing so, it is working to be more agile.
The agile way of working is world-class. It has been adopted by companies such as Apple, such as Amazon. And we, having looked at it in some detail, admire the customer centricity and innovativeness of the approach.
Mr. Hilton says he's reinventing and reinvigorating the business, which will include ensuring its retail branches are used more efficiently. It includes 3 branch models, the full service branches customers are used to. Added to that will be specialty branches, and some which will be cashless. Doing in-branch transactions should also get easier with its minimum viable product MVP launch.
We expect to start piloting this solution in a branch next week, and we anticipate full rollout of the solution by the end of the calendar year, that is December 2017.
Its insurance arm, Advantage General, is also to be integrated in the branches. Underpinning this push for greater efficiency is a bank which is increasingly migrating services into the digital space. Pushing customers to more online and machine banking brings fraud risks. NCB says it's boosting electronic security to deal with them.
We have partnerships with some of the leading capabilities, agencies who have the leading capabilities in the world in terms of not only managing those situations but anticipating new developments, because we recognize the risk.
ATMs and point-of-sales machines are also being fitted out with chip technology. That project should be completed by the end of this year. For the Financial Week, I am Dashan Hendricks.
In the meantime, the good profit showing has not extended to Grace Kennedy, which reports that its profit fell. The food and financial conglomerate says its profit in the April to June quarter was $2.2 billion. That was down 19% compared to a year ago. Grace Kennedy had, however, been anticipating the decline because it was coming off having a one-off gain from last year. It says the outturn was, however, ahead of expectation. More company news, this time at Victoria Mutual, which says it was successful in raising almost $4.2 billion on the local market to help finance an increase in its mortgage portfolio. The company went to the market to raise capital in both Jamaican and US dollars with a horizon to repay in 5 years. It says its success has not only shown the market to be liquid, but also that investors are starting to look longer term as the economy improves. Currency trading ended today with the US dollar selling for $128.38. The Canadian dollar is selling for $103.33. The pound sterling costs $166.89, while the euro is going for $150.65. The main JSE market index gained 655 points today, while the junior market index went up by 36 points. The stocks posting gains include 138 Student Living, Carb Cement, Jamaica Broilers, Jamaican Teas, the NCB Financial Group, Radio Jamaica, and T-Tech. The losers included AMG Packaging and Paper, Carreras, Kingston Wharves, Main Event Entertainment, and the Scotia Group. And that's the Financial Week. I'm Dwayne Burbick. Do have a great weekend.